Keep showers and tubs sparkling and problem-free with a short weekly routine anyone can follow. Start by mixing 1 part white vinegar with 3 parts warm water in a spray bottle and use that as your main cleaner. Spray tile, grout, glass, and tub surfaces. Let sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Then scrub grout lines with a stiff nylon brush and rinse thoroughly. After every shower, use a squeegee on glass and tile to remove standing water and reduce mineral buildup and soap scum before it hardens. Wipe metal fixtures and porcelain with a microfiber cloth to remove residual water and prevent water spots and dulling. Once a week, do a deeper clean. Apply the vinegar solution, scrub the drain area and tub rim, and flush the drain with hot water to clear residue that attracts soap film. If you have hard water stains, apply a paste of baking soda and water to stubborn areas. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse and buff dry. This is mildly abrasive but safe on most finishes. Maintain ventilation by running the exhaust fan for 20 to 30 minutes after showers, or opening a window to lower humidity and prevent mildew growth. 3 common mistakes shorten bathroom life and make cleaning harder, and each has a simple fix. Letting water sit on surfaces and not squeegeeing leads to mineral rings and soap film, so make squeegeeing part of your routine and keep a towel handy for quick drying. Using harsh steel scrapers or wire brushes damages grout and finishes, so always choose nylon brushes and non-abrasive cloths. Test any new cleaner on a hidden spot first. Ignoring ventilation lets mold and mildew take hold. Run fans, open windows, and consider a hygrometer to monitor humidity so you can act before spores spread. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for bathroom maintenance and remodeling, and gives contractors a place to connect with potential clients. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and pros share tips, ask questions, and learn practical maintenance routines like this one.